Hiccups, read by Flo. Grandpa had the hiccups. Shh, said Mom. The baby is sleeping. Dad said, drink a glass of water. The hiccups will stop. Grandpa drank a glass of water, but the hiccups didn't stop. Sister said, blow up a balloon. Your hiccups will stop. Brother said, stand on your head. Grandpa, those hiccups will stop. Grandpa stood on his head, but he still had the hiccups. Grandma said, hang by your knees and eat a pickle. Then your hiccups will stop. Grandpa hung by his knees. He ate a pickle. The pickle didn't help. The hiccups woke up the baby. The baby scared Grandpa. My hiccups stopped, he said. Mom said, good. Dad said, good for you. Brother said, that's good. Sister and Grandma said, good. The baby said, the end.